In this video, we will explore how to use ChatGPT to write Excel formulas. Even if you don't know any Excel, I will show you exact prompts, copy-paste ready formulas. Let's jump in. Here I have my data. I have name in column A, sales in column B, region in column C and dates in column D. Now let's suppose I need to write a formula where I can get sum of sales in West region only. We will take the help of ChatGPT to write formula for us. To take help of ChatGPT, we need a prompt to talk to ChatGPT. Here I have my prompt. Suppose I have an Excel table in row 2, name, and here I am giving column references. Now I will give instruction to ChatGPT that give me Excel formula to sum sales where region equals West. Use classic Excel functions SUMIF. Return only the formula because we don't need the solution. We just need a ready-made copy-paste formula to paste in our Excel sheet and get the total. Let's see how. What I will do, I will copy this prompt, Ctrl C. I'll go to Google, type OpenAI. I'll click on the first link. Here, this is the chat box. In this window, we will talk with the AI to get our solutions. We will paste our prompt and click here so that ChatGPT can get the prompt and give us the result. Now wait for the ChatGPT's response and you can see that ChatGPT has provided us a ready copy-paste formula. I'll copy this formula and paste into my required cell. Click OK and you can see that ChatGPT has given us the result. The result is 4000. It means we have sum of sales 4000 in West region. Now to verify these results, I will filter my data and you can see that we have got 4000 sales in West region and the same given by the ChatGPT. ChatGPT has given us a ready-made copy to paste formulas. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.